chocolate and cocoa mix in. 3.
See, we normally don't have heavy cream, but we were making macarons today. We need to make buttercream, so we got to use the heavy cream because it'll go bad in a couple of days. And then, yeah, so we're gonna make real hot chocolate with real cream.
Hot cocoa and sugar first.
Yeah.
Up to the.
So for me, I would have put the cream in the cups. I would add the hot water to the cold cream instead of the cold cream to the hot water. For some reason, it seems like the chance of curdling is less.
Well, I'm going to try it like this. Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. But we're going to try it this way because I didn't think about it.
Okay.
So I'm just going to now I'm going to add a little thickener agent of heavy cream. Ooh, that looks nice.
It does look good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's the right color right there.
And then
That's perfect.
I'm going to add another thing which I just realized I had. I bought some peppermint bark creamer. Just a little bit. It has white chocolate and peppermint flavor to it. All right, now, see how hot this is and give it a little taste test. That tastes lovely.
Cold.
Taste it.
No, put it in my cup.
Okay. All right. So I'll clean that in a minute.
Please.
So we're just gonna put this a little bit in a cup at a time, and then would you like some whipped cream on yours?
I think there's heavy cream in here.
Yeah.
I think I'm good with that. Let's just try it this way first. But boy, does that look the right color. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Do brave things. Like drink heavy cream.
Oh, that tastes lovely. Don't you think?
That's good. That's perfect. I can even taste the peppermint a little bit.
Yeah, I didn't put a lot in.
No, but I can taste it. All right, now I'll go for the cream.
Just a little bit.
Thanks.
Yeah. Oh, that's delicious.
Big old. I heard the.
I meant to do. I was so.
I meant to do that.
Yeah, I was so excited.
A big old candy cane would be awesome. It'd be like a big
Yeah.
peppermint stick in there. We're gonna get some candy canes at Aldi tomorrow.
I thought I had some.
And that from last year.
I probably threw them away finally.
Delightful. So, if you're making macarons and you have extra heavy cream left over from your buttercream, then you too can make your own hot chocolate.
Oh, yes.
Have a wonderful evening.